shit.
That's what I'm talking about.
Wait.
Okay, now, from the beginning.
Hello and welcome to another episode of Wolf Ridge Woodworking. I'm Ed. Welcome to my shop. I hope everyone in your family is doing well. What we've got today is a 1.5 inch thick by about 9 inches wide piece of hard maple. We're going to make a platter today. Not sure what shape I'm going to do yet, but I know it's going to be a platter. One of the things is it being so thin, I don't want to use what I traditionally use as a worm screw or even just a faceplate, because it being so thin, the screws, I don't want to be fighting the screw holes. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to attach a waste block with some hot glue. I've seen other people do that on YouTube with good results, so I'm going to do the same thing. Off camera though, I'm going to make it kind of round, about 9 inches round, and then when I come back, I'll be putting the waste block on. So let's get started. Let's go have some fun. Alrighty, now that I've got it trued up, I'm going to lay out my where my foot and everything's going to go. So let's see, I'm going to go about there. Okay, and then so about where the foot's going to be, somewhere right there. And then the bowl, I think, is somewhere about, let's see what looks good. Where's the center there? Let's go about there. Alrighty, I got it to the shape that I want. Got a little decorative bead here showing me working on, and then just some things here. So now I'm going to sand it up through the grits and apply the finishes. You'll see it all on the screen down there. But anyway, happy so far. I hope you're enjoying it. Alrighty, so now it's time to flip it around, but man, look at that chatoyance there. And it's got this streak going through the middle of it. That's beautiful. And this is just an offcut from another project that I did. That was a lot of fun, and you know what? This platter shows that you never know what hidden gems are underneath that wood. This has got a bit of a curl right here running through the center. Hopefully you can kind of see some of that. I'm not sure. See if I can get a little closer for you. Anyway, I'll try to get some pictures and capture it, but it's beautiful. It's got this dark streak going through it, and just couldn't be happier with the way that it turned out. What do you think? You know, give me that thumbs up if you liked it. Comment, share. It all helps the channel out. If this is your first time and you want to see other videos like this, click over here. If you want to become a subscriber, click up here, click the bell so that you're notified when I upload a new video. And as always, I wish you and your family a blessed day. Thank you.